What is up guys, Tech Bro Cholo here and welcome back to where we take awesome out of the box. Now today we're going to be talking about the Huawei Nova 8i. I hope you guys got hyped from the unboxing teaser I did last week. Since then, I've been able to really put the Nova 8i's cameras to the test, and here we are with another video. Disclaimer though, this is not a full review. Today, I'm just focusing on some of the things I really love about the phone. That being said, we're still gonna give you guys the basics. We have the usual Huawei box, nice, clean, and white, with some branding on the front and on the side. Inside that, we have the jelly case, charging brick, USB-C cable, SIM ejector pin, documentation which you should never throw away in case you need it for warranty, and some earphones. Now before I forget, you can see some of the specs at the bottom of the box, but basically we have a Snapdragon 662 paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, a good combo for casual users. Now this phone has a gorgeous design. We got ours in Moonlight Silver, but they also have it in Interstellar Blue and also Starry Black, but boy, does this one look good. Not only do we have an ultra slim curved design that feels good to hold in the hands, but the back panel is beautiful and shines in a brilliant gradient when light hits it. It is glossy though, so if you want to keep the shine on and the fingerprints off, I suggest that you use the case included. Also, fun fact, the design is based off the DNA of the P series, so it might look a little bit familiar. And the aesthetics don't stop there. Of course, I love using the 6.67-inch Huawei edgeless display, which not only had sharp picture thanks to the full HD Plus resolution, but despite not being OLED, colors looked super popping. So your favorite anime and K-pop videos will definitely be a treat on the Nova 8i. Another highlight is the cameras, which isn't really a surprise because it's Huawei. We have a 64MP f1.9 main camera, 8MP f2.4 ultra-wide, and 2MP f2.4 depth and macro sensors. But what really makes this special is the fact that the main camera has a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor. Bigger sensors let in more light, which means the quality of the photos taken by the main camera should really be something else. And they were. The photos look sharp and vibrant without being oversaturated. And considering how cloudy a day it was, I'm happy the shots I took looked full of light with some great skin tones. I mean, just look at this. The view was definitely not wasted with these cameras. And I was equally happy and impressed with the night shots, which I think looked really good too. Even the macro and the ultra-wide delivered some social media worthy shots. I mean, I'm getting hungry again just reviewing these pics. And against the light, I think that the macro still delivered. Looks really nice. Next, on the front, we have a 16MP f2.0 selfie camera. And again, I was pretty happy with the skin tones and general colors of the shots. Great to use for selfies with your family, friends, and all your loved ones. And yes, if you ask me, I do think that the Huawei Nova 8i is a pretty good vlogging phone if you're starting out. All the quality I mentioned earlier carried over to video, so if you're planning on going down the path of content creation, you could start here. So we're just about to eat seafood for lunch, and I'm really excited because I haven't had real seafood for I think months. And yeah, those are gonna be our sample photos. Hope you guys enjoy. That being said, you're sure to have tons of fun shooting with this for a long time thanks to the 4300 mAh battery. It lasted us a whopping 16 hours and 26 minutes from 100 to 20%. So yeah, basically really impressive numbers which should give you more than a day's worth of use, complete with gaming and vlogging. Charging that is the impressive 66-watt Huawei Supercharge. This was able to top up our battery from 10 to 100% in about an hour. Basically, really fast. So quick charges between vlog shooting locations will be more than enough. And after having used this phone for a while, overall everything from EMUI 11 to the apps I downloaded from the Huawei AppGallery ran super smoothly. And speaking of AppGallery, you can download all your favorite apps here like TikTok and games like Mobile Legends. And if you do need to find more, you can always use Petal Search, your gateway to a million apps. I was able to download apps like Facebook with this, and it worked like a charm. There you have it, some of my favorite features on the Huawei Nova 8i. If you're a budding vlogger and want to get started with a phone that takes awesome photos and videos, or want a gorgeous phone that you can rock with style, definitely check this one out. And you can grab the Nova 8i for 13,990 pesos on Shoppee, Lazada, online Huawei stores, and Huawei Experience stores. You can check out more reviews on Unbox.ph. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yup, subscribe because when we hit 250k subs, we're giving away a smartphone. So don't forget to use the hashtag #SubToUnbox. Hit the notification icon if you want to get updates when we drop videos. Once again, it's your tech bro Cholo, and I'll see you guys in the next one.